Alright guys, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix if your laptop is turned on but the screen is black. You'll get to see I have my laptop here and it is turned on but the screen is completely black. So if you're having the same problem on any laptop, it can be Asus, Lenovo, Acer or any other brand that you have, this will work on every device. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you can do, you just need to take your laptop charger here. So first thing first, go ahead and plug in a charger. And once your laptop is actually charging, what you have to do, you just need to find out the power key. So for me, I have the power key right over here inside the keyboard. So if you have the physical power key right here or right here, you just need to press and hold this one for 15 seconds in order to completely turn off the laptop. So I'm going to press and hold the power key for 15 seconds in order to completely turn off my laptop here. And once your laptop is turned off, you just need to release the button and your computer is completely turned off. So now to turn it back on, you just need to press the power key again in order to turn on the laptop and see if that fixes your problem or not. He'll get to see my problem is not fixed yet, it's not turning on. Then the very next thing that you have to do, you just need to set up the BIOS update. And now to do that, you just need to press 3 keys at once, Windows, B and the power key of your laptop. And once you press this button, this will actually take you to the BIOS update page, or either it will turn on. So if you have the update page, you don't need to do anything. You just need to wait until the update process is being completed. And once it gets completed, you just need to press the enter button and your laptop will be fixed and this will work as new. You'll get to see my problem is fixed. Now you can easily turn on my laptop here. And this is how you actually can fix the laptop is turned on but the screen is completely black. Hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.